What up, guys? This is Pastor Canav again. We're coming up with another tutorial in Python. We're going to be talking about input. But before we start talking about it, can you please go ahead and subscribe to the channel? That will help the channel grow. So we can keep rolling more videos. So, input. This is the fun part about Python because this part allow users to interact and make decisions with that code. So for example, we're going to see this one right now. So let's do input text. Or let's just do text. Text equals input. We're going to type the word input and then enter anything or type anything. So let's run the code on the console, and now you can just type hello, how are you doing? Enter, and that's the end. But see over here, it just looks kind of not nice. So let's just use a column and a space, and that will make it better. Yeah, see? Now we can use hello, how are you doing? Cool. That looks a lot better, right? Cool. All right, so let's just see another example. Let's comment this, and let's go to the next one. Let's ask for a name. Okay. Let's do input name. Let's put right here. Input. Let's just do enter your name. Okay. And we're going to print that input name. Input the name right there. But we want this name to be uppercase, so we're going to do upper and then parentheses, and let's run it. Enter your name. My name is Pastor, lowercase. Enter. Oh yeah, it gave me a capital one, Pastor, uppercase. Cool. Let's see another example. Let's enter a number. Let's just do input. Let's do another example. Number. Oh man, I got 5 fingers. Enter a number. To double it. Let's see. Okay, and we are going to print it right here. Let's comment that also, and we're going to do print um let's just do input number times 2. Okay, so let's see what it's going to give us. Enter your name. Okay, let's just comment that too. And so okay, let's enter a name, Pastor. Okay, enter a number to double it. Let's do 2. Oh wow, it gave me 22. um so basically that's what we don't want. Every time you enter an input, always is going to give you a string. So how do you fix this to make it an integer? So over here, what you can do is you gotta type int and then parentheses the input number name, and that should make it better. Enter a number to double it. Okay, let's do 3. Yeah, it gave me 6. Okay, cool. So that worked. So you can just whatever you can just do an integer, you can just float, you can just do a string, like whatever you have to do. Okay, just to make it better. Um, okay, that makes sense. Cool. All right. So now, so what about if I want to make when a text is being entered, for example, your name, I want this to be a decision making if I want the name to be uppercase or to be lowercase. How do we accomplish this? Okay, let's do the following. Um, let's comment this one too again. All of this, and we're going to do um. So let's just do this first one right here. Enter. We might need this again. Let's uncomment that. Input name. Enter your name, right? And now let's create another variable right here. Upper or lower. So let's just type input, and then enter 1 for uppercase and 2 for lowercase. Okay, we got that. And now right here, if we're going to use if statement, um, if upper or lower, we're going to compare equals to 1 column print input name. Input name is going to be let's just do that upper parenthesis, right? And then we're going to do else. Let's copy this part right here, and then let's paste it right here, and then we're going to do lower for lowercase. So let's print that and see what it's going to give us. Enter your name, so Pastor. Enter 1 for uppercase, and it should be or, but let's just fix that in a minute. So I want 1 to be uppercase. Oh wow, it came uppercase. Okay, let's fix that. Should be or. Okay, now enter your name. Let's just do capital now, Pastor, to see the difference. Enter 1 for uppercase or 2 for lowercase. Let's just do 2. The uppercase is going to be a lowercase. Hopefully it works. Oh, nice, it worked. Alright, guys, so that was the whole tutorial for this input. Hopefully this helped you in your journey, and hopefully that makes it a lot more exciting learning Python. Okay, alright, have a good night, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye bye.